I just finished making my new kickdown linkage for my 68 Dodge Coronet. Got small block 318 in it. Had a 2-barrel carburetor, and when I rebuilt the motor I put a 4-barrel, but I needed to make a new one of these guys because, let's see, let me turn this on. So here's the part. It's from the original one. I had to add an inch in here to scoot it over for the 4-barrel. Then machined a new piece at work and then kind of booger welded it on there. But pretty happy how it turned out. Also, the part right here, probably hard to see, it's taken from a 340 with a 4-barrel. I got that from the junkyard. Cut that part off just so I could use the accelerator cable, the part right there. The original one wouldn't work. And my project continues. This is how the piece started when I bought it. I just took it, chopped it on the hot saw, and then machined this end at work and bend it at work and all that fun stuff. Yeah, I tried to look everywhere to try and find something. I couldn't find anything where people did a conversion from 2-barrel to 4-barrel and what they used as far as their kickdown for their automatic transmission. So that works for me. So I will continue. What, kitty? Well, gotta go. Cat stop.